Very sorry. I'm really sorry that na-late ko. Okay, tayo. Grabe yung kaya sorry. Kung may lumulukod ko karoon, okay lang. Oh, sorry, kaya kinilap ni sorry. My love is watching me. With Mr. Sean Mayor Session, a.k.a. Satayos. That always has to be 2007. I took the exam on the pre-2020 program, and luckily I passed the exam. I waited so long before that last day because Montreal told me that they ran out of slots, and I thought I'm never going to join the CCCP, and I'm losing my patience because I'm waiting for almost a month. At that time, I wanted to join the batch 19A because I have a new friend there, and she was the one who had the last class, and then that makes me really upset because I thought that if I take the exam and be lucky enough to pass, I'll be joining the next batch, and that bothers me because what if my batchmates don't like me? What if they will discriminate me? And a lot of what if questions playing in my head, not knowing that batch 20 is going to be the best group I've ever I've met this 13 wonderful people in whole Asia. Whole Asia lang ha. I don't know who they are. Well, listen carefully. First, Fatima, the innocent-looking girl, especially when she's entering the room very late.
Fatima?
And she's famous because, as what Sir Sean always mentioned, she's Miss Cagayan de Philippines. So true?
So true.
My long-lost big bro, EJ. I know he's in Cebu right now. I know I'm older than EJ, but he must understand and be honored that I found my big bro in him. And in case you guys didn't know, EJ is an intelligent guy and lucky guy. Wanna know why? Well, go to Cebu and ask him, because even me, I don't know why. Speaking of lucky, if there's a person who catches all the lucky things that God sprinkled the universe, well, that's their song girl, Siren. Look at her with that oozing sense of appeal. Good command of English. A good job way ahead of her, and not to mention the 6'2". But serious na, Siren pampered me in her small way, and she cares about me whenever she knows that I have a problem. You don't make me cry, girl. That's a big help, you know. I know that thank you is not enough, but I love you so much.
Agad nakila. Nagilak.
But don't forget that big score. I'm still waiting. Yo, girl, Iron. Don't forget.
The mysterious girl.
Don't forget about me. Always remember that Sean is here waiting for your recommendation. I'm not asking for a high-ranking position. Well, team leader will do. But you know what, Iron? You have that attitude that I wanted to have. That pagiging mahihing.
Yee!
That will fit me girl that is cute and pretty. Oh, like mama na. You know what? This is my moment. I'm never gonna forget you. Of course, not like Korea. Kids, the ever smiling, cool, fast girl, was dog lover. Good thing your boyfriend is not a dog. Girl, during your wedding, don't forget, I'm always here. More than willing to eat your wedding cake. And it's more than okay if you're gonna make if you're gonna make it one of your bridesmaid or even a flower girl. So yeah. Lovely Joy and wow, what a name. The Bohemian and always come out girl in group. You girl, remember that light bulb or light bulb thing? You're my idol, you know why? Because you really dispense our lights up to go for those things. Go for those stuff. And I will always remember you as the defender of light bulb with the Ram, the baby of the group. And the smartest. Well, actually, you're just the second. I'm the first. Don't be selfish. You must follow your assets always, okay? Just take care of yourself because our health is our wealth, okay? Don't argue with me. I was a doctor way back in Morning. Good morning. You are the support.
Yay, the lover.
I'm sorry about those bad and useless words that I told you.
Keith.
Don't smile, don't breathe. Okay? Don't forget. Sorry, you know what, Form? Starting today, you must know how to be loyal by starting to be over. You? Who's the bride? You. I have a room. Darwin, the ever silent boy, but he's already a daddy. I mean, Darwin, thank you so much for being a part of this very important people. Are you important? Well, of course you are. Darwin is silent, but the Hindi song is gonna float like a bomb full of kabuang things. The first time that I heard Darwin make a joke, it reminds me about the silent idiom saying, "Lisod ang hilumon, kailangan mong dulot." But I did not gusto na kayo. The next one, Steve, super silent. If there's more than that word, then
He's not here.
that's Steve. Of course it's not Steve. He's very smart in terms of high-tech gadgets, of course, for he's an IT graduate. And like me, good thing I'm not a graduate of IT. Because it's more shameful if I graduated in information technology, but I don't have that enough knowledge. Shame on me. Speaking of shame things, these two guys, I ashamed because I thought we're common friends, you know. But look what you've done. You're keeping a secret from me. Well, what am I talking about? Our child and Alfred.